Senyonjo akutana naye Senyonjo, bado Senyonjo, Sam Senyonjo amepenyeza Bebeto, anaijua njia kawii kufika na kwenda. Kama ni ngumi ya kwanza ya pua yake Majembe. Fununu Nzira, Ronald Bebeto Sichenje anamsha Fabian Chui. Murang'a Seal hawajui kilichowakuta, wapo juu wazee wa fununu. Ronald Bebeto Sichenje, Igwe walijenga kutokea pembeni. AFC Leopards aliwavuta walinzi wote. Sam Senyonjo akawa peke yake. Blessing yake Ronald Bebeto Sichenje kule alikotoka Ongiri akaiweka kule. Finishing bora kabisa kutoka kwake Ronald Bebeto Sichenje, ambaye anawapa tabasamu ya kwanza na majonzi wana Murang'a Seal. Ingwe imetoa Macharia. Joe dhidi ya Rami Lasso tena. Nekataa Rami Lasso, bado Joe Irungu Waithira. Naye Rami Lasso, mwamuzi anasema ni mkwaju wa penalti. Ikensbibisa Nyagroa alicheza rafu Rami Lasso Kulibali. Contact ilikuwepo, super slow-mo ya kishua unaiona. Alimkanyaga Rami Lasso Kulibali. Pressure ipo. Joe Irungu Waithira na kataa. James Tubakleo saves the day. Anaokoa penalti yake. Alikanyagwa pale. Penalti yake Joe Irungu Waithira alimsoma kama kitabu James Tubakleo na kupangua penalti yake Joe. Setuba Sesteno pia anazidi kuwakuza vijana wadogo akiwa na timu ya Rodney Strikers. Kona letu ndani, Boniface Koyo Munyendo, James Kinyanjui inajaa ndani. Super sub! Wamenyanyuka kwa mara nyingine. Igwe ya Papa Fred Abani wapo juu kwa mara nyingine tena. Kelly Okonji Madada alianza, akatengewa James Kinyanjui, ikajazwa ndani. Hassan Beja Shoka krosi tamu ya James Kinyanjui, finishing tamu ya Hassan Beja. Super sub akipiga samasol chake baada
Coaches, your team started off a bit strong with good possession and passing. What was important in that, and what do you think changed after?
For me, I'll say something small change in regards to being aggressive on the ball. FC were too much aggressive on our side, which I believe my boys waliingia maji kidogo sana. But going forward, it's a good development for the boys going forward.
You also created a lot of chances today, including a penalty, but wasn't able to convert. How do you reflect on that?
Yeah, the good thing is that we are creating, and that's it's a positive development towards our team. And for me, I'm not in any way angry about that, because it's all about the process. Yeah, the goals will come and everything will be well.
How are you going to address the finishing moving forward, considering another loss today?
Yeah, it's just a matter of composure and communication, then everything will be right.
Coaches, congratulations on your win.
Thank God too.
Yeah, that's 4th clean sheet in a row. How important is this win in the context of the title race?
Normally tell my players, because anytime you want to win a game, you have first of all to maintain a clean sheet. That will give you at least a number of time to attack. But whenever you concede goals, then it becomes so difficult. So at least we have to make it from the defense line. So that at least you can be comfortable, then we can score goals. Yeah.
This is a big win for the team, a very great performance. How do you feel about it?
It's great because Moranga Seal is a good team, as I said earlier. You saw what they played. It's a composed team, it's a good team. So winning against Moranga Seal is a plus to the team. And I believe both teams play good football. And I want to say kudos to Moranga Seal for the great soccer they're playing. We want more games to be like those. And I would say for the Leopards team, let's keep pushing.
Coming in the match, you were so confident in your lineup, first 11, but you've made a few changes in the second half. Was that a tactical decision?
Definitely it was because we looked at it and then we saw where we could harm them. So at least we had to bring in players who can at least change what we had planned for. But I may say that the player that started the match equally did a great job. Those who came in, at least they proved to us